Good morning, children. Today we have a new week in order to start learning many beautiful and wonderful things. First of all, I want to send you lots of kisses because I love you and I miss you. So let's see. Today is April the 21st and today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Very good. Now, who can help me with the weather? Maybe Lions. You are going to start with the weather. What is the weather like? Is today a cloudy day? Or maybe is it a rainy day or a sunny day? I don't know. Maybe it is a little bit windy. Now, remember that you have a challenge, and in this challenge you have to remember and learn by heart this beautiful poem that is named Hickory Dickory Dock. And remember that here we have some animals: mouse, snake, the squirrel, the cat, the monkey, and the elephant. So let's see, we're going to start with lions. Lions, it's your turn. You go with me. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse went up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Very good. Now, unicorns, is your turn. Hickory dickory dock. The snake went up the clock. The clock struck 2. The snake went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Very good. Now, dragons, is your turn. Hickory dickory dock. The squirrel went up the clock. The clock struck 3. The squirrel went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Very good. Now, phoenix, is your turn. Hickory dickory dock. The cat went up the clock. The clock struck 4. The cat went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Now, this is for girls. Hickory dickory dock. The monkey went up the clock. The clock struck 5. The monkey went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And this is for boys. It's your turn, little boys. Hickory dickory dock. The elephant went up the clock. The clock struck 6. The elephant went down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Very good. I love your voices and I miss you all, but I love hearing that you are learning this beautiful and long poem. Now, which is the agenda for today? At the beginning of the class, at the beginning of the day, we are going to have math. After math, ICT, and after ICT, snack. Remember that for the snack, you have to wash your hands with lots of water and soap, okay? The second part of the day, we're going to have language, PE, and lunch. At lunchtime, you go to the toilet and wash your hands again. Okay, very good. And be ready for having your delicious lunch with mom and dad. And at the end of the day, you are going to have a beautiful and wonderful activity with fine motor skills. So be prepared because we have a big surprise for you. I love you, kisses, and I love you, children, and lots of kisses for you all. See you later. Bye.